If you love family moments, come and see my kids help me make the softest meat pie today. Watch and listen to our unfiltered video. There's a blended one there. No, like what I'm doing is different. There's no need to. Yeah.
I'll be your idol. She was the chicken. And I'll mix it.
I hope this one is still on there.
Come on.
It's good like this.
Babies. Yeah.
Oh, you're not put water.
Mommy, soup with water.
For what is it? For better, for best.
This point was still teaching us. Now we know baking you.
Those ones are the same things. They are
Creating. I'm into content critical settlement for married.
I don't know, but the girl really is like this. If you see her this
Watch
stage,
it.
I was even praising the girl.
But she's just.
It's not her baby, it's another person's baby that looks like her.
She's not using the baby.
That's what the parents of the baby want. But they like it now. Don't know that baby of small food is that. Everybody has it.
Johnson, the man resembles, looks like grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we really like to buy something for him.
Yeah.
They used to call him Papa. He has nothing. So do me here, if you just know that I was in the group, I was so small soup with 1 minute. And that
That's not. It's not so.
Is it getting there? Do it.
I'm getting my food. What?
I'll give it 9.5 out of 10.